Hey everyone, is your Verizon SIM card giving you trouble? No worries, in this video I'll walk you through quick and easy fixes to get your SIM working again. Stay tuned. Restart your phone, then power it off and carefully remove the SIM card to check for any damage or dirt before reinserting it. If you bring your own device, make sure it is unlocked to Verizon. Ensure your SIM is activated on your Verizon account and that you have a proper network coverage. If issue persists, contact Verizon support for a free SIM replacement. Why Verizon SIM card not working? Verizon SIM card may not work due to physical damage, corrosion, or dirty contacts preventing proper connection. It can also be caused by a faulty SIM card or a damaged SIM slot in the phone. Additionally, activation issues or network problems can prevent the SIM from re-registering or Verizon's network. Phone may be locked or previous network. Fix 1. Confirm your phone unlocked. If you are a new customer and bringing your own device, make sure your phone is carrier unlocked and support Verizon network. For Android, open the settings app, go to connections or network and internet, then go to mobile network, SIM, then go to advanced. If needed, toggle off automatically select network to open the list of carriers. See if more than one network is listed. If the list shows more than one network, it's likely that your phone is unlocked. For iOS, open the settings, go to General, then About, then scroll to the bottom of the page. Look for the carrier lock. If the row says no SIM restrictions, then your mobile device is unlocked. Fix 2. Check your Verizon account status. Make sure your line is active and not suspended, disconnected, or flagged for fraud, lost, or stolen, or non payment. To check Verizon account status, go to My Verizon website and log into your account. Check on the account overview drop down menu under My Devices. Select Suspend or Reconnect. Look for a service suspended label next to any line that is currently suspended. Fix 3. Power cycle your device. Restart your device as a simple first step to potentially resolve connectivity issues. For Android, press and hold the volume down button and the power button simultaneously or lock button. Select restart and wait for the device to restart. For iPhone, press and hold either volume button and the side button until the power off sliders appears. Drag the power off slider to the right and wait 30 seconds for the device to turn off. To turn the device back on, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Fix 4. Turn airplane mode on, then off. For Android, swipe down from the notification area twice or swipe down once with two fingers to reveal the quick settings toggles. Tap the airplane mode icon to enable or disable it. For iOS, swipe up from the bottom of any screen and tap on or off the airplane icon in the upper left corner. Fix 5. Check network status. There might be an issue with the Verizon network, hence, the mobile data is not working. However, the issue will be resolved automatically within 2 hours. To check network status, visit Verizon's official website, select Issue as a Data, and click Use My Location. Fix 6. Check coverage area. Confirm you are in a coverage area, enter your location in search bar, and check for coverage status. Fix 7. Check Verizon mobile data usage limit. You can check your data usage by logging into your Verizon account on their website or through the My Verizon app. Open My Verizon app, go to Account tab at the bottom. If prompted, enter your password, fingerprint, or Face ID. Go to Usage to view total data available and total data used. Make sure you are on the correct data plan that includes mobile data usage. Check for any data usage limits if required. Recharge to use mobile data. Fix 8. Manually update settings. Sometimes the SIM may not fetch the Verizon signal due to low coverage. You can manually register the SIM to Verizon network to resolve the error. On iOS, open the settings, then go to cellular or mobile data, tap on network selection, turn off automatic by toggling it off, wait for available networks to appear, then select your Verizon network from the list. On Android, open settings, then go to network and internet, mobile network, tap on advanced, then go to Verizon operators, choose search at work to find available networks and select your Spectrum network from the list. Fix 8. Remove and reinsert SIM. There might be an issue with the SIM and due to some reasons it unable to find the signal. If your SIM can't find a signal, turn off your phone and use the SIM eject tool to remove the SIM tray. Check the SIM for damage or dirt, clean it if needed, then reinsert the SIM tray firmly and turn your phone back on. Fix 9. Contact Verizon support. There might be an issue with the SIM. You can request for SIM replacement if you are in your customer. Confirm the activation status by contacting Verizon support. Contact Verizon at 1-800-837-4966 for further assistance or to request a replacement device. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.